Why are there not more people talking about the incredible EU protection for seafarers? Let's dive into how it secures your future. If you lose your job, your working periods from other EU countries still count toward unemployment benefits. Let's see how this protection works for seafarers. Unemployment benefits are part of the EU's Social Security Coordination rules. This system ensures that when you lose your job, you can still receive financial support, even if your career has taken you through different EU countries. Here's the key. Your insurance periods are added together. That means if you worked in Greece for 2 years, Italy for 1 year, and Spain for another, all those periods count when you apply for unemployment benefits. No matter where you contributed, the time you worked is recognized across the EU. If you lose your job, you don't have to travel back to where you last worked. You apply for unemployment benefits in the country where you now live. That office will contact the countries where you worked, collect your employment history, and calculate your entitlement. The amount and duration of benefits depend on the laws of the country where you apply. But the EU guarantee is this: your years of service abroad are counted, and your right to protection is never lost. For seafarers, contracts often last just a few months. You might switch between Greek, Italian, or other EU-flagged vessels. Without EU protection, these short contracts could leave you unprotected. But thanks to coordination, every contract you complete contributes to your safety net, giving you stability between voyages. The EU system ensures that seafarers, just like land workers, are covered when times are tough. Because every voyage matters, and every day of work builds your protection.